So since we are actually now in the event, we're gonna be able to see one of the finest cars ever if we can. I'm also with my mom right here. Here's my mom, and we're gonna be able to see some. Look at that little orange car. Looks so cute. We got an old Toyota here. Old car. Look at that. I know, right? That's nice. Alright, let's see what else. Got like the old like common cars and stuff, so yeah. Alright, let's check it out. Got like the rest of the other engines here. Look at this. That is like pure speed. Let's see what else like other classics. Whoa, Mom, check this out. Look at that. Okay, so look at this. It's crazy that's a BMW. Looks like one of those like race cars from NASCAR. Oh my god, dude. No way. No way, dude. Yo. Yo. Look, this thing just keeps on going. Oh my god. This is so cool. And we got a Miata. And okay. What else? Whoa. I love like the purple neon lights. They look amazing. This looks interesting too. We got another Toyota. Another. I don't know if they are Miatas, but they look almost similar.
Yeah.
That. Love that. This is a classic Toyota Supra. Ain't no way. I bet. Dude.
I knew it.
Yep. These are all Supras. Never mind what it said. I thought they look like Miatas because like the way how they look. Ain't no Miatas. Makes sense. What in the flying Tom's foolery is this? What is this? Oh, I like this classic one. Wow. Wow. Dude. These things are so precious. Holy shoot. Dude. What is this one? Check it out the back. This is a GR Supra from Toyota. And another GR Supra from Toyota. This is like, these are like Supras here. Like very like fine Supras. Like look at that. I kind of like the white one a little bit more better. We also got a GT Mustang. Like the Mustang over here. I love it. It's so pretty and a little bit fun. Orange. Ooh. This one's pretty. It's from Toyota. Is it a Supra or I'm guessing it's a Supra or not? GR 96. guessing this is a Supra. I'm just guessing. I'm not too much of an expert, but at least I tried to be. Look at that. You see what else? I love these LED lights.
Un carrito que tú quieres estar en la competencia, acelerando los motores. Vamos a comenzar en 10 minutos. 10 minutos más duro del barrio, de la ciudad, del estado, del país. Si tú you said Maduro? Nothing but Maduro. You hungry or
And then this
something?
one.
You said más duro. Más duro. You know, but you know
Let's see
how
what
to
else.
deal with that Maduro.
Look at this. This is like Mustang 1991. That's what I'm guessing. That's something that you. Oh, no. Dude, I love this. That is so cool.
Stuff over there now.
It has a mini. It got a baby. Look, we got another very cool. Wait, this is like the. Shut up. We got like a 2023 version Mustang Shelby. Like, look at that. Look at this. This is Bazonkers.
What type of music does he do?
This one looks so nice.
What type of music does he do?
Look at that, Ma. You see any in this? Look at that. We got before and after. You hear that?
We gotta give instructions because then everybody's just gonna be going
And we got
all crazy.
and we got like
If you are participating in the rev of the English, revving up the English, the engine, rev up your engine.
This one is
Line
nice.
up, start lining up. Who's gonna lead the way? Because I need somebody over there to lead the way. Because if not, we're just gonna be all over the place. They got people. They got people. Okay, so if you
Challenge
want this
accepted for
competition,
sure.
if you're gonna be revving-
What? What is this? What is this?
We about to get it started, man. It's about to be off and popping.
Dude, this one's fire. This is a Ram. Like a Lightning McQueen looking mess. Dude, look at that. I know you guys cannot see, but let me tell you this. This is a very nice Ford truck right here. Look at that. That looks nice. You see what I mean? And this one. This looks like every like normal car with like bigger wheels. And I think it's another Porsche. Stop your damn honking now. Dude, go to that. Holy shoot, that's so cool. Hold on. Go to that. Corvette. Mommy, Corvette. We got Corvette, look at that. Oh my god. Look at that. We got a Corvette C8. Look at that. Dude. Let's see. And I think this one's another Corvette too. I'm guessing. Yeah, it's another Corvette. Oh my god, this is another classic. Look at that. Look at this. It is Captain America. Let's see the truck. Blood.
I'll give you one. Hold on.
Wait. Let's see. Dude, this is so cool. Oh my god. The flashing is really kind of getting to me. Look at that. Wait, what does the engine sound like? Dog, what is this? still flying. Oh my god! Oh! McLaren! We got a McLaren! Holy shit! We got a McLaren! Dude! Oh my god! Dude! Oh my god! We got a McLaren! We got a McLaren! We got a McLaren! Oh my god! Oh my god! This is so awesome! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! This is a McLaren! Dude! This is what's up? Mom, are you seeing this? Oh god! McLaren! We got a McLaren! We got a McLaren! God, dude, McLaren. This is McLaren, dude. This is McLaren.
It's green.
It's green.
I was excited about that over here, but then when I looked over here, I go, oh.
We got a McLaren. Oh my god. Oh, Lord. Dude, I want to touch it. What? Oh my god. Dude. That is so pretty. Dude, I didn't even have a moment with this thing. Oh. What type is this one? It's just a... Dude, this is 650S here. Hi. Oh my god. McLaren. McLaren. We got McLaren. McLaren, Mom. McLaren. What is this? I really wanted to see this thing in person. Oh.
Our two favorites right there.
This thing's my favorite. I love it so much. This is my dream car. This is a car that I would see in my dreams out of nowhere. Yeah. What's that? Oh my god. McLaren! Oh my god. I love this thing. I want to kiss it. Dude, I love this thing. McLaren. McLaren. Oh, dude. We got a McLaren. Oh, we got a Porsche. We got a Porsche here. Corvette. Another Corvette. Another one. Another one. Look at the engine. Another engine here. We got like some Beetle cars here. Mommy, look at this. Check this out, Mom. That is your favorite car right there. That is your favorite. This is green. We got green and blue. Green and blue. Dude, that McLaren right there. I am hypnotized by that thing. And it's green!
And it's so funny. My style and your style. What are the odds?
It is. A family charger.
Part of the family.
Part of the Charger
I have a
family.
grandma. Actually, no.
Hey,
I have an auntie.
you have an aunt?
I have an auntie. No, the grandma is the Charger, the classic Charger.
Yeah, like the muscle car that you have. What is this? Let me guess. Woo. Okay. Shut up. I'm trying to chicken out this one. Oh.
That's a dog.
Yeah. We got some nice ones. What is it?
Classic trucks.
We got some classics! You see, you got those classics right there. Oh, so pretty! I like the green and white and black. Yeah, let's see. We got... we got tow truck Mater. Oh, I love that LED light right here. So nice. Look at that. Are you taking pictures of me? Oh, this was so cool. Look at that. Hey, Mom, look, it has lashes like you.
From the game cars.
We got a little, like, funny cars. And we got a classic. Look at this thing.
That's a class. That's from the 8th. That's oh, that's first minivan.
Yeah. Look at that. Oh, you can like fit like a whole family in there. I could imagine you driving a classic, probably like one of those other classic cars. I'm betting.
I see myself driving that classic
Oh, for sure.
Camaro.
You would love the Camaro for sure. The classic Camaro, I know you love it for sure. What else? What else? Damn. Quiet. Let me check it out. This Mom. We got a Supra. Look at that Supra. Look at it. Oh, I know this thing is fast. So I know this thing. Look at this. That's nice. That's really nice. This is a classic. And this is the classic. Mom, do you think this is a classic? It gotta be a classic Cadillac. Look at that. This is such a classic Cadillac. I love it. And there's another one. Oh, look at that engine. Look at that. Look. This is amazing.